Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a subscribe button on a video in Canva. To start with, open up your video. Like you can see, I've just got a random video added here. And I'm going to go to the Elements tab. I'm going to type in subscribe button. Then it will show you lots of different options. So you've got options for graphics, videos, photos, 3D stuff. So I usually like to use the graphics, which is static, but then you can add animations to them. So I quite like this one. So you need to decide where you want it on the video. So once you've added it to your timeline, you can drag it to the appropriate spot, normally towards the end of the video. And if you want, you can make it a little bit shorter or longer if you want. Just make sure it covers the end of the video. Then what I like to do to edit it even more, I'm going to move it to where I want it in the video, and I'm going to drag it to the size I want. When I've got that how I want it, I'm going to add an animation just so it catches people's eyes a little bit more. So in the animation, you can hold your mouse over the different animations and it will show you what they look like. So I quite like the rise animation, and you can add it on enter, exit, or both. I like to do both and reverse the animation so it comes up from the bottom and then leaves down the bottom. And you can also add on effects. So to keep catching people's eyes, I like to add a pulse effect. So let's see how that looks. So I'm just going to start the video from the beginning. You can see the horses going, then the subscribe button comes up, pulses, and then leaves via the bottom. So that's it. That's how to add a subscribe button to a video in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.